Hey guys, once again I'm in Harare, Zimbabwe, and today I'm at the studio with this noisy generator providing electricity. Look at that! The jacaranda tree is my favorite tree, it's so beautiful. So it's blooming right now. Anyway, this video is not about jacaranda trees, it's about Dendera music and Dendera drumming in particular. So to show us Dendera drumming, we are joined by the expert himself, Carlton. Carlton, nice to have you. How long have you been playing Dendera drums?
It's 7 years now.
Woo.
I joined Sulu in 2012, in January 2012. Before joining Sulu, I was playing with Africa Revenge. I was doing more jazz stuff than Dendera. But yeah, Dendera is classy. I mean, it appeals to all generations or age groups, everybody. So that's why I like it.
Yeah.
I was a fan of Sulumani Chimbetu, by the way.
So I think we're gonna head into the studio. What do you want to play for us today?
Today I'm just going to demonstrate how we play the Dendera drum pattern. So basically that's what we're going to do. Basically this is the Dendera drum pattern. So we're gonna try to break it down and slow it down so that you guys can really get to see where the snare is, where the kick is obviously more straightforward. So yeah, we're gonna just take it down a bit, the tempo, and we're gonna use 4-part counting because these are 16th notes on the hi-hat. So yeah, 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 3 and the 3 E and the 4 E and the. But it's so hard counting, and playing at the same time. So yeah, this is what we play. If you manage to get the counting right, where the snare falls, where the hi-hats go, you'll be done. That's Dendera drum beat for you.
Awesome. So once you feel comfortable about that, what is kind of the next step?
Obviously improvisation. You know, you have to feel the beat, be there, experiment, bring out all sorts of spices and flavors on the beat, because it's too straightforward. So I'm just gonna try and play it again as straightforward as I can. Then I will try to also add what I think makes it sound a little bit better or more interesting and catchy. Yeah.
Some spices.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you have. That's some sick drumming, man. One last question from me. I see you have a secret weapon on the floor.
Yeah.
Just 2 words about this one. Why do you use a double pedal?
Well, it goes back to spicing up things.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've been playing with a single pedal for like 19 years.
Yeah.
But I recently got this. I got this in 2017, so I have 2 years with it now.
Really?
I got it in Canada. It's my Mapix double pedal lefty. So it's the one I use when I really want to smash a gig, you know.
I think it's so interesting to hear you play double pedal in Dendera, because actually, I think in Europe the double pedal is so dominating in metal music, and they only play, well, mostly they play like a constant double roll. But you found a very nice creative way of incorporating double pedal into this, I think.
Sure.
So yeah.
I think the bass player that I play with is one crazy guy. So
Moffat.
Yes, when I got this pedal, because of the way he plays, we started locking even more. You know, his notes are really there.
Okay, so he didn't see it as a threat. He was happy.
He was actually happy.
Oh, yeah.
So he's more percussive. His bass talks. So if we lock that with the double pedal, it's really amazing. You must feel it when you're playing together. Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Brother, you too much. You too much.
Woo! That was some crazy stuff. Thanks you, Carlton. Yeah, I'm even sweating now. That's how hot it was. You too. Kupisa! For me, I picked up a lot from this, so I'm gonna study this video and learn some of these details and chops, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So thanks.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Peace out.